Well, quickly want to walk you through the open source voice AI platform we're building. Actually, um, give me a second here. We used we generated over $1 million for our law client in US using our LiveKit stack, the voice AI platform that we're building, and we're building it open source as a complete replacement for Vapi, Retell, Cekura, Chat Dash a lot. So trying to build like a one-stop shop for voice AI development, right? And it's powered by Next.js, supabase, um, and LiveKit. I'll show you the parts of it. And right now we're trying to give early access to some agency owners to get some rapid feedback before we open source everything. So we have minimal bugs, so anyone can use it in production, right? So we have the dashboard, which you can make new accounts for clients and assign agents to those clients, just like you can do in Chat Dash. And you have the part where you can build the agents, like we have this agent over here in a second. I've also built conversation flows using this is powered by LangGraph. We're not really releasing the conversation flows in this part because there are some bugs we're fixing in it. You have all the parts that you can see in Vapi, like you're building your agent. You can assign tools, start speaking or stop speaking plan, and so yeah, you can see we're also building a testing section just like Cekura. So you can see here, or you can, just like Cekura, you can have build a testing agents, define scenarios, use cases to test those agents, and then run tests on them to see where they make mistakes and optimize, right? So in my previous recording, some of the parts of the dashboard got cut out. Sorry about that. So you can see, I'm gonna just show some of the parts of the dashboard. You can create a new accounts for your customers and assign agents to them. Like I can assign agents that we have built to certain customer, and when they log into their side of the dashboard, they can see the call logs and their analytics and everything for the agents that you have assigned to them. And the dashboard in dark and light mode. This is for you as the agency owner. This is where you build agents, right? We're still working on adding sections for knowledge with some other stuff. Yeah, there's the voice library, adding new phone numbers, inbound, outbound, or both. Monitoring, so here you can see the live calls. You can listen to them or delete any live calls that are happening. Testing it, I showed this part earlier, I think. So here you can define metrics, personality of the tester agents, testing use cases, run some tests, and then see results and where your agents are messing up, and you can optimize them based on that. Yeah. And I'm gonna walk you through, this is just the dashboard, right? Like the UI, this is the tip of the iceberg. And then there's other parts of the system, like I'll show you some diagrams. In just a second here. So the UI is just this part. That's the dashboard. We have another server, the call concurrency management server that manages your call concurrency. Then we have the LiveKit manager server that has like the API routes to start calls, process the end call reports, and a lot of that stuff. I'll share some docs with this post so you can take a look at those diagrams. And we have, this is a main server that has the LiveKit agent worker. So that's like your main agent that joins calls and talks to your clients, talks to the users. We're using LiveKit Cloud. And we're using supabase to store everything, like the agent settings, the prompt, voice settings, everything is stored in supabase. Your call logs, your queues, and everything is stored in supabase. So we're gonna open source everything. The Next.js code for the dashboard, the code for these two servers, also the code for the agent, and the schemas for supabase. So you can just run those schemas, and the tables are going to be built for you in supabase. And I'm going to share a lot of docs and some internal docs and diagrams with this post, so you can take a look at what the system is and how it works. And for anyone interested in getting early access to this, just comment below and we'll try to get you access. And only thing we ask is some rapid feedback, so if you notice any bugs and everything, we can improve them before we release it for the public access so everyone can use it. And we're trying to make this we're making it open source so we can collaborate and build as a really strong voice AI stack that everyone can use and help each other out, right? So yeah, so let me know what you guys think.
Hello?
Hello, hi, is Jason available?
Yes.
Hi, Jason, this is Alex. I was reviewing your listing for the property on Pine Avenue in Willow Creek. It looks really compelling. Do you have a quick minute for 2 or 3 quick questions?
Sure, how can I help you?
Great, thanks for taking my call, Jason. Nice. So to confirm, it's the 4-bed, 3-bath property listed around $175,000, right? I just wanted to verify it's still on the market.
Yeah, it's on the market. We got some offers, but it's still available.
Got it. Okay, that's good to know. And what's your process for viewings? Do you, do general open houses, or is it strictly by appointment?
We do it by appointments.
Understood. All right, last question for now. From the pictures, it's a bit tough to get a sense of the area. What's the neighborhood like, Is it more of a quiet, family-oriented vibe, or more of a lively scene?
It's pretty chill. Mostly old people live there. Pretty quiet neighborhood, I think.
Right, gotcha. Okay, that helps a lot. Excellent.